Sora is a great reading application that really has many online library books. And this will get set up for your child so that they can read anytime they want, whether they're at school during reading time or at home or on the road. So when you click on that link, it'll get you to the Get Sora for free. I'll set you up with the link that you require so that when you're at home and you click on that, it will work for you. There is a great video to watch that shows you um, all of the things that students can access at home. I'm just going to show you um, two ones, audio books, which are great because they read out loud, and they are adjustable for different levels of learning. So audiobooks are great at home, and so are ebooks, which are basically that reading the book and following along on the page. But there are other settings that can be adjusted for your child's learning. And this is a very exciting app to have access to.